Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to sketch using the Loomis method. We begin by drawing a simple sphere, which represents the cranium. Next, draw a horizontal line across the middle of the sphere for the brow line and a vertical line down the center. This initial framework helps establish the basic proportions of the head. Remember, these foundational shapes are crucial for accurate facial construction. This method simplifies complex anatomy into manageable steps for artists. Now let's place the facial features. Divide the face into 3 equal sections, from the hairline to the brow, from the brow to the base of the nose, and from the nose to the chin. The eyes are positioned on the brow line, typically 1 eye width apart. The base of the nose falls at the end of the second section, and the mouth is about halfway between the nose and chin. This systematic approach ensures accurate placement. Next, we define the jaw and ears. The jawline extends from the temples down to the chin, forming the lower part of the face. The ears are generally placed between the brow line and the base of the nose. Remember to vary the jaw's angle and width to create diverse head shapes. The chin usually aligns with the central vertical line, providing balance. These steps help give your sketch a distinct character and structure. Finally, it's time to refine your sketch and add details. Connect the head to the body by adding the neck and a hint of the shoulders. Smooth out the initial construction lines and refine the contours of the face, including the hairline and any specific features. Experiment with light and shadow to give your drawing depth and a 3-dimensional quality. Consistent practice is key to mastering the Loomis method and developing your artistic skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.